All right, so it's our favorite time of year again. It's the unboxing time, so we're gonna do it and show you what's on the go for this season. Okay, here we go. It's I gotta show this because it says it right on the box. It says right here, Old Dutch. The Pro model board last year was a house specific deck. This year we went a little crazy and we got it done up proper. Oh yes. Oh baby. Yo baby. We're going full on alpine. Here's the big reveal. Let's go. Let's go. I'll do a little flip action here. I don't know if I can. Oh, I can't. Twins. Ketchup and dill pickle. For the dream, Donek Snowboards. Let's go.